Chemistry Form 1. Simple classification of substances. Solid mixtures. In our daily lives, substances such as sugar, salt, clean water, and soap are used. These are final products obtained through processes such as separation from mixtures and purification. In order to achieve this, substances have to be grouped together and according to shared characteristics and properties. For example, gas, liquid or solids, or other properties. This process of grouping together substances with similar properties is called classification. Knowledge about properties can be applied to obtain pure substances from mixtures. Mixtures. What is a mixture? What is a mixture? A mixture is defined as the result of obtaining two or more substances such that each maintains its chemical identity. Summary of types of mixtures. Mixtures. We have solid mixtures, solid liquid mixtures, which are two types. We have soluble and insoluble ones, solid gas mixture, liquid mixtures of two types. We have miscible and immiscible, liquid gas mixture and gas mixtures. Separation of solid mixture. How can a mixture of sodium chloride and iodine be separated? Here is the experiment setup of how you can go about it. You need cold water in a watch glass placed over a beaker containing a mixture of sodium chloride and iodine crystals. On top of a wire gauge which has been placed on a tripod stand that is being heated. Look at this video and describe what is observed inside the beaker as heating continues. Experimental results. Observe keenly and answer the questions that follow. Results. What is the color of the solid left on the beaker? What is the color of the solid left on the beaker? What is the color of the solid formed on the surface of the watch glass? Results discussion. The mixture at the beginning contains white and shiny black crystals. As the beaker is heated, a purple vapor is observed. On cooling, the purple vapor forms shiny black crystals on the surface. White crystals remain in the beaker. The shiny crystals are iodine, whereas the white crystals are sodium chloride. Explanation. When solid iodine is heated, it changes directly into vapor. The vapor seen here. The vapor cools to form solid iodine on the cooled watch glass. The process where a substance changes from solid to vapor directly or vapor to solid without forming the liquid is known as sublimation. Explanation. The solid formed when the vapor cools is known as sublimate. This is what makes it possible to separate the salt crystals from iodine crystals because it's only iodine that can sublime of the two. Other substances that sublime are anhydrous iron 3 chloride and aluminium chloride, benzoic acid, and carbon 4 oxide, that is dry ice. Application. Dry ice is used in cold boxes by ice cream vendors. It's preferred over ordinary ice because it sublimes, leaving no wetness. It's also a better coolant to ordinary ice.